the next topic in this chapter is called break-even analysis. A lot of time you have to decide between automation and manual operation. For example, you're doing your operation manual at the present time, you want to see if it's a good thing to automate your operation. Now, for any operation, you have a fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed cost is normally your initial costs, installation, training, all type of costs that involve to start the, it doesn't matter how many parts you produce here. The variable cost is the cost that they're going to increase, depends how many parts you produce here. Now, to explain here, I'm going to show you through a graph here. In this axis, we have the annual cost. In this one, you have the rate of production. So you can go 0 to any level, x. Now, I'm going to show you this graph represents the manual. So that's basically the fixed cost for the manual. Now, for automated, the fixed cost is going to be a little more. So that's going to be the fixed cost for automated. Now, obviously, if you're producing low level of production, for example, from 0 to this point here, x1, if you compare here, the annual cost for manual is less than the automated. If I go further to the right, still the manual x2, the rate of production of x2, the manual still is better than automated. But when I get to this point, we call this on x star your break-even point. At this point, there is no difference between the annual and automated and manual. But when I exceed the x star, for example, at this level, rate of production, x3, the automated has lower annual cost compared to the manual. So it means the automation is better than manual. So that's why this point we call it on break-even point here. So at this point, the annual cost for automated and manual is better. But after you exceed the x star, the automated is going to have lower annual cost. So that's basically called break-even point here. So I'm going to show you this one through the next example.